My name is Rachel Mwekali. I'm a Pan-African feminist activist, very passionate about SRHR, and I work with a social movement called Pussy Power Movement, and then also Coalition for Grassroots Human Defenders Kenya. I'm so happy to have been able to attend the ICRW event today on the dissemination on the research that was done on SRHR. For me, why is this key? As one of the petitioners for reproductive health policy 2022 to 2032, which I contested against the Kenyan government, I felt it was important as a community member to come to be able to know the new trends on SRHR, that what's going on, and also getting also information from the academia that I can use on my daily activism work on SRHR. And currently we are seeing the rise of anti-gender, anti-choice, anti-rights movement globally and even here in Kenya. So from this event today, I've also been able, from the presentation by powerful speakers on information and also why it's important to continue investing on youth and women who live from areas where there's a lot of inequality, like myself in Malari informal settlement, how it's a big barrier for us to be accessing sexual reproductive health and rights, and especially contraceptive, because most of people at my age, we're also sexually active, and if you're sexually active, there's importance of accessibility of SRHR services. We are seeing stockouts, we are seeing cut of USAID funding, which is affecting most of our work in our community level because of the triple threat. At the same time, now we are getting many cases in our communities on unsafe abortion, at the same time also on contraceptive availability, but at the same time services within the public health, because SRHR is broader in terms of also women who are a bit who are on menopause, even having this conversation. So also as a grassroots person, it has been a good space for networking, collaboration, at the same time also strengthening existing information that I have. Sometimes, and where we are now, we need to refresh our mind. At the same time, seeing on our own, also to influence academics, seeing on our lived realities and duty bearers, which is very good. And also, as a young woman, young person, this is something also I want to go and disseminate from my community level to be able to use the same information to strengthen our SRHR work, which is in dire need, as also we head to election. And one of the issues that also we are pushing as Pussy Power Movement is to ensure it becomes a political agenda in 2027 for election, and even anybody who's vying within the county level. And that's why even this weekend, we are doing a big, tomorrow we're doing a big protest in Machakos, Yata sub-county, on challenging even the definition of families, or now the anti-rights people, anti-choice, anti-gender have been saying families are father, mother, and a boy and a girl. And as we are saying, families is collective and must be inclusive. And that's why we are against that and pushing. Thank you so much.